What's going on, y'all? This your boy Stay Puff 1983, and I figured let me do this quick unboxing of Comic Tom's mystery mail call box. I got this a few days ago, so I figured let me go ahead and shoot a video unboxing it. Excited to see what I have. The last box I got was okay at best, so I'm hoping to see what I got here. Put that down. Alright, all this paper. Here is the package. Box over here. Open this up. Let's take a look at the comics first. Now, I don't know what's in here. It's a mystery mail call box, so let me pull out the first one and try not to look. Let y'all see it first. Hawkman, issue number 4. This is the part of the Jeff Johns run. It's a pretty nice cover. I like that cover. Yeah, that's pretty dope. See what we got here. Oh, Thor. Mighty Thor 239. Nice. I like this cover. Dope cover. Okay, what we got next? Oh, New Teen Titans, issue number 16. Another great cover. I love these old classic covers. There's something about them that just makes the comic stand out. It's a new... Yeah, but I like these old covers. You know, the caption boxes and the bubble captions. Yeah, I love the old covers. Next, Fantastic Four, issue number 283. I think I have this issue. I have a lot of Fantastic Four issues, so I know I have this one for sure. And the last one, Action Comics 14, New 52. This is part of Grant Morrison's run. Forgot what was his last issue. It's pretty dope though. And now for the trade paperback. It's Avengers, part of Hickman's run. Collecting issues 7 to 11. Nice. Even though I have the Avengers Omnibus. But might be good for another giveaway. Whenever I do a giveaway. So, that is my unboxing for Comic Tom's Mystery Mail Call. It was a pretty good one. I liked it, this one. Especially the Thor cover and the New Teen Titans. I thought those were pretty good. I enjoyed it. So, let me know what you think about what I have down in the comments below. I'll link Comic Tom's page. Go sub him up if you're not subbed to him. Everybody should be subbed to him. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.